Welcome to our warehouse here in Vancouver. We are going to stage a home we designed in Lake Oswego, and I'm going to walk you guys through. Welcome to the Lake Oswego project.
This beautiful barn door leads to the spa master bath. We wanted a spa feel in this master bath and went with clean, white, and simple feel. The granite tile wall extended through the enclosed shower and the freestanding tub. We completed the space with luxury chrome finishes. The tub was a sweet surprise as we had a completely different one ordered. We absolutely loved it and kept it here, but we did have to move the plumbing. The design inspiration of this home came from the garage door the client chose. White clean lines of the kitchen with subtle color of the backsplash. We absolutely love how the shape and the lay of the tile plays with all the doors and chrome finishes in this home.
This home is contemporary, so we decided to add wood to create a more cozier environment. We added the bar stools in to match this custom table done. It's from a local tree here in Portland, and it's designed by New Urban Designs, and we use acrylic chairs to create a more open feel and to showcase the dining table. And then as we walk over, we have the living room over here that we created a really open and simple design, very inviting. We didn't add too much furniture in here because we are simply staged.